Can you do it in 5 minutes with just 3 ingredients? In a bowl, start by adding 600 grams of cream, then 2 juice packets. I'm using passion fruit flavor. Then let's mix it all together well. Guys, this is the right consistency. It'll look like mousse. Now, just grab any container. I'm using a plastic cup. And I'll split it until it's filled up. Just repeat the process with the rest of our dessert. In another bowl, add 200 grams of cream, 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate, and mix well. We'll divide this chocolate mix across all the cups. Now with something to stir, I'm using a stick. Let's mix. Once it's this thick, you're done. Chill it until it hardens. Look at how amazing this dessert is. Make it at home. Everyone will love it. Passion fruit mousse with chocolate is great. Hope you liked it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.